Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I will walk you through how to create an Amazon baby wishlist. This is a fantastic way to share your must-have baby items with friends and family. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Amazon application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Then tap onto your profile icon. Here you can see your profile interface. At the top right corner, you can see the option of list. Tap on it. On the list screen, you can see a plus icon. Tap on it. You can see the option of list name. Tap on the bar and delete the shopping list, and you have to write down baby wish list and tap on create. Now you have successfully created the baby wish list, which you can share among friends and family. You can just simply click on add items and add the purchases you have done. So this is how you create a baby wish list on Amazon. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.